Cross country and track and field coach for men and women at Monmouth College. I've been the cross country coach for both men and women since 2000. I've been the men's head track coach since 1984 and the women's head track coach since 2000. Have excellent facilities for both sports at Monmouth. We have the use of 2 local golf courses for our cross country training and racing, Gibson Woods and Monmouth Country Club. We also have the Huff Center for the indoor track facility, and then we have the use of Zorn Stadium for the outdoor track and field facility. Coaching philosophy, we definitely believe in training the individual. We want to work for individual improvement for every athlete in our program. We feel that that moves us towards our ultimate team goals of competing for conference championships and having some of our athletes move on towards the NCAA championship. So we feel like if our athletes are improving individually, they're going to be happy, they're going to stick with our program, and that's going to give us positive results in the end. We've had well over 100 All-Americans combined for our track and field and cross-country programs, highlighted by 8 national champions for our men since 1984, and I believe 5 since 2000. So we've had great success at the national level as well. Primary thing we're going to look for in a recruit is their interest to be at Monmouth College and to be involved in our program. We want athletes who are goal-oriented, that know what they want to achieve during their collegiate career. So we talk about school records, we talk about what it takes to be national qualifiers, conference champions, All-Americans. We feel like every kid in our program should have 1 or 2 goals that they're working towards very specifically, and then we want to try to help them achieve those goals. Welcome to contact us by phone at 1-800-74-SCOTS. Definitely good contact point. Email me, rogerh@monm.edu, or get online on any of our athletic websites and fill out a Recruit Me questionnaire. That gets to us within about 24 hours. So if you want to have contact, come for a campus visit, or just learn more about our program, get in contact with us by any of those methods.